Are you considering upgrading your windows? Replacement windows enhance your home's comfort, save on energy bills, and improve curb appeal. Replacing leaky old windows can make your home quieter and less drafty. Modern replacement windows come in various materials and styles. They include wood, vinyl, and composite frames, offering options for color and design. This flexibility means you can customize windows to match your home's aesthetic. Cost is a significant factor when choosing replacement windows. On average, expect to pay around $800 per window, with total cost for an average one-story home reaching about $8,000. Actual prices depend on window type, size, and installation complexity. Energy-efficient windows can be an investment worth making. Energy Star certified windows, for example, can save homeowners about 13% on energy costs. In colder areas, the potential savings increase significantly, especially when replacing outdated single-pane windows. When shopping for windows, consider the following steps. First, evaluate how many windows need replacement. Next, check for the NFRC label to understand each window's energy performance ratings. This label helps compare various models using the U factor and solar heat gain coefficient. Then, look for the Energy Star label to ensure you're getting energy-efficient options. Finally, get a capable installer. Proper installation is crucial for the effectiveness of new windows, especially if your home is older. Make sure to shop around for bids from different contractors. A warranty is also essential. Typical warranties last 10 years, but many brands offer 20-year or lifetime options. Regarding window materials, popular types include wood, vinyl, and composite. Each has its advantages, from aesthetics to functionality. In terms of styles, numerous options exist, such as double-hung, casement, and storm windows. Choose the type that suits your needs for ventilation and weather resistance. Lastly, research brands like EcoView, Anderson, Marvin, and Pella, which offer various options in replacement windows. Ready to enhance your home with new windows? Start your journey today and consider all the factors we discussed. Transform your living space into a more energy-efficient and visually pleasing environment. To schedule a free consultation, please visit www.ecoviewwindows.com.